Look at that. That's pretty cool. It feels like a corkscrew in reverse. Welcome back to another video. Timo FPV, your host this evening. It's gonna be a good one. So while I get set up, let's go to the wheel and see what trick we're doing today. All right, so we got the Sbang Tornado. I'm gonna be honest, I'm watching this trick. My brain doesn't quite comprehend what I'm looking at. Kind of having a hard time figuring out what it is. This trick is like what I'm supposed to be doing. Like what confused me about it is I'm going that way, I flip over, and then just because I'm rolling and pushing the throttle, it's gonna send me back. So I don't quite get that, but might as well go for it. Why am I always in angle mode? There we go. Okay, we have a lovely flight today. Beautiful, beautiful day out. Hopefully there's no one out here playing, otherwise that would be bad. Feed's not super great, but that's okay. So it's a flip and then, okay, all right. I guess you just go this way. All right, and you punch the throttle. All right, I can see how this one's gonna be interesting. Yeah, no, okay. Dang, my feed is not that great right now. Or my range, or whatever it's called. All right, I think that's the basic, like, you know, it's kind of very rough. Sbang Tornado. Again, my brain doesn't quite comprehend this trick. So, there's that. But, yeah. Oh. Lost my feed there. See, that's just a flip. That's nothing there. Also don't want to do it too close to the ground. So there's that. I don't know, that's kind of... That feels right. You know, I'm going the right direction. Yeah. All right, well, let's bring this battery in for a landing, maybe tighten some screws on the, what's it called? The antenna, and then be on our way with the next battery. Getting better at landing. Telemetry lost. Let's go for it. Whew. Yeah, see, that's good, that's good. Tighten everything up, feeling great. Feeling good. Does that count? I feel like that counts. Got it. Look at that, that's pretty cool. It feels like a corkscrew in reverse. And then that whole flip thing. Nice, I like it. Pretty easy. I want to say thanks for the support on the last 2 videos. That was not it. That was not it. Thanks for the support on the last 2 videos. Really appreciate it. A lot of y'all comment tips and stuff on how to make how to fly the drone a little better, how to do the tricks. And I do appreciate it, because I mean, I'm learning. I'm trying to learn how to get better, and so I do appreciate the advice. I don't know anyone else around me that flies FPV, so sometimes I'm kind of just doing it by myself. But that's okay. Sometimes you just gotta dig through the trenches yourself, you know what I'm saying? All right. I like it. I'm liking this trick. This feels like a good finisher trick. Like, you just finish a sick line and then watch this. We're gonna come back to an object. You know, that's pretty cool. I thought this trick was gonna give me a lot more trouble. Thank you, Wheel. Everybody comment, say thank you, Wheel. Look at this. Nice low orbit. All right, one more. Oh, that's a little too far. Almost hit that pole, no biggie. We smack poles, we fall to the ground, we get back up. You know what I'm saying? All right, that was not good. It's a beautiful morning. I don't know what that was, but that was not it. Let's land. Got a good one. And let's see how much time we have. Maybe we have time for one final pack. This might just be a 2-pack kind of day. If you hear a baby, it's okay. That's normal. Normal for the Sbang Tornado. And 30 seconds, we're gonna bring it in because I have to go. All right, let's do this quick outro and then we'll be done. Let's get a good shot of me sitting in my car though. We always have time for that. Look at me. Hello. The baby is in fact hungry. This is episode 15. Sbang Tornado. That's crazy. 15, 64, Sbang Tornado. Sbang Tornado, I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5 stars. It had its challenges. Okay. Sbang Tornado, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna draw a tornado in the shape of an S. Look at that, Sbang Tornado, 15 to 64, 3 out of 5 stars. In the books, in the works. That's what I'm talking about. Hopefully you can see me, hopefully I'm in focus. If not, it's cool, it's whatever. I'm Team FPV, this has been episode 15. Again, thank you so much for the support on the last 2 videos. Hope you like this one. And then stay tuned for the next one. See what trick the wheel brings us next time. I'm Team FPV, stay soaring.